Hey everyone, it is Yoga. Welcome to, it's not really a confessions. I guess it would fall under my confessions. Anywho, I have a female ride day out to, I believe it's called Brazelton. I'm not sure of the pronunciation. I'm still getting familiarized with the different cities and stuff here in Georgia. So I am about to get ready. So just doing a little, basically this is a day in the life of Yoga when she's off, not from work. So yeah, I'm about to get ready, and right now you're just about to see a quick little regimen of what I do in the mornings before I get out, ride my bike. I like to keep it simple, not too crazy and all that stuff. So okay, so you gotta stay fresh. So you got your deodorant. I am more of, I'm trying to not use products that have aluminum. So as you see, this has focus. It has no aluminum, and basically it is purified water, mineral salts, chamomile. That's pretty much it. Like this one, this is Tom's natural powder. This one is, I'm not sure if I've ever natural powder. But like this has the aluminum, so because I am riding, I wear this one. But it's supposed to reduce underarm wetness and all this stuff because it's stupid hot. Like I don't know what the temperature is going to be today, but yeah. So I use this one. Check out products that, because there's so much different things that goes on as far as they talk about how aluminum can cause breast cancer because of the glands are open and the sweat and all that type of stuff. So yeah, this is what I use daily, and that's what I use if I'm going to be super active. So riding on the bike is definitely super active. Folks ask, what products do I use for my face? Literally, I use basically stuff like this. Like I'm simple, 30 plus years old, and I use basically anything that got vitamin E. Vitamin E is very good for the skin. It helps keep your skin healthy and glow. And yeah, this one is moisturized, soothes, and protects softer, younger looking skin. So no, I'm not promoting any products, but this is a product I usually use, like a Rite Aid brand, but I can't find any Rite Aids down here. Like I know they have them, but they're like super far. But I do use this. And I use it twice a day when I get ready. I wash my face in the morning, and then when I get home and I shower and wash my face to clean off everything from the daily grind, all that fun jazz. So, okay, moisturizer on. Next thing that I use is basically I just put a little. I don't wear makeup, but usually I have my flour. But because I'm on a bike, I'm not wearing a flower. So what I use, either wrap my hair, I put it in like a headband or something, but I need to wash and twist my hair because I try to do it weekly. Folks ask, how do you do your hair? It just depends. And seeing that I'm going to be riding this weekend, I definitely gotta wash it and twist it back up. So I use the rags, which are very versatile. It's kind of hot right now, so I don't necessarily use it as a rag to put over my face to keep up the cold. I use it now for my hair as like a headband. So this is a great way to like keep your hair in one place, and so it's not all over when you're riding. That way it's out of the way when you put your helmet on. But yeah, I use my Carmex. Been using this forever. That's like my base layer. And then I just, like, I'm very simple. My mom, she complains, you don't ever wear any makeup. I don't like wearing makeup. But I will put on like a little gloss. And then my mom was like, why did you put that on? Like, you can't see it. I just like stuff that's real simple and natural. That's just me. So everyone, as far as female riders, we ride different. Some people, they can wear a full face of makeup. I'm like, I don't know how y'all wear that, because it seems like it's what spread off once you start being in the streets anyway. But I do try to put a little something on as far as just my eyes. Let's see. And I like to kind of fill out my brows, so I do kind of like a female. So I use this one. This is just a LA Colors. I think this one is black, but I'm not sure. It might be, I think it's black. So basically, I just put a little on to fill it back out. I'm used to doing this in the mirror, so. Okay, so before I get any further, I filled in my brows. Just something simple, and then it's empty, so put that one away. And I gotta see. So y'all know I wear glasses, so I gotta put my contacts in before I put in or put on any mascara. I put like a little thin coat of mascara just because I do like my eyes, but I do hide behind my eyes with my glasses. I used to hate glasses as a kid. Growing up, you know, raised low income, and then at that time, I'm an 80s baby, so when was the show Family Matters came out, then you had Steve Urkel. I had basically the Coke glasses, or what they call them in the military, Coke glasses. Those things were hideous. And then eventually, thank God, we were able to get better glasses. So I would sit up front and literally not wear my glasses unless I had to see the board, and I would put them on and then take them off when I didn't need to see the board anymore, and I would hide. It was ridiculous. But now I love my glasses. So you learn and you grow. But basically, this is, I have astigmatism, which I didn't know for a while. So I'm gonna use the, because I don't look in the mirror. TiVo, he was like, I have not put myself in the eye. And I could actually see the camera now, so let's see. Okay, so I had to backtrack. I put the wrong contact in the wrong eye. I used to have the same prescription in both eyes, but for whatever reason, the prescription changed. So one eye is different from the other. So, and then basically, I started using, because I had got this Christmas gift or whatever from, it was like 5 girls. This is Tattoo Studio gel liner. Basically, let me see, how do you use this one? See, I don't even use stuff that often. This one is weird. Figure out later. But I got this as a gift for this thing, as far as like if you not subscribe, like if you participate, you'll be okay. So I had to cut the video off because I couldn't see. Anyway, so basically it was this like Christmas challenge or whatever. You'll be entered in, and then you'll get a list of 5 girls or ladies to send a gift to for no more than like $5 or something. And then, so it didn't really work out. I did get a gift, and I sent out my gift. I didn't really get gifts, and folks, I don't know. I'm gonna host my own this year and make sure that it's organized. I guess folks, they were like, it seemed like this way for the ladies to get gifts themselves and all this other stuff. I'm like, but it's $5, unless someone wants to spend more than $5. But I'm gonna host my own, and it'll be through House of Yogini. So, but I did get some makeup. This one is Maybelline as well. This is the Lash Sensational. So I do a quick coat for the under, and then been told I already have natural long lashes, which I'm fine with. I don't like putting on lashes and all that stuff. Like people, like the ladies, they look very pretty and everything, but like my maintenance is not where it needs to be as far as makeup and all that stuff. But when I did go to that's why I have to look in the mirror. It was like, and then do a little coat on the top. I'm like, oh, I didn't know that. Like, I'm hot in here. And if I cut the fan on, or the not the fan, but the AC, it's gonna be super loud. So that's pretty much it. And I use my lovely Bath and Body Works. The perfume I had, they don't sell it anymore. I'm so upset about that because body spray doesn't last this long. But the perfume that they did sell, they don't sell it anymore. They just, I guess, discontinued cologne and perfume altogether. They do still have a couple men colognes and all that stuff, but anywho, let me get ready before Bree kills me. As I said, I'm about to get ready for the all-female ride. I don't know how many folks is going to be there. It's just Bree and I. Hey, whatever. I like to ride and enjoy my day and things of that nature. I will not be on my bike, so if you watch any more videos today, it would be on, he calls her Onyx sometimes, but the FZ09, Mr. 20 West bike, because I need to get my key fixed. It's bent and I don't want to get stuck in the ignition again. It almost got stuck and I don't want to do that again. So I'm about to order my key, my blank through Amazon, get a cut of Ace, and then I'll be ready to go for next week's ride, for the ride to Emma Falls in memory of Kev. So thanks for watching, and until next time, I'm out.